So how do you turn off the colors in the settings on the iPad? So if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one and we can get into it. So we go to the settings of the iPad and you might be in some random place, but let me just come back to like the main settings page. And in here, if you want to like turn off the colors, you have to go to the accessibility section. So in the left panel, scroll through it, and right below general, we have the accessibility. So you can click on it, and this is the place where you get to control some random things about the display. So in our case, we as well want to go to the display and text size. And below from these options, you can find color filters. And this, when you enable it, might already go to the black and white iPad, but it might not because there are more color filters. Like you can see the red, green, green, red, blue, yellow, and even a color tint. So you can apply some different color filters, but for removing the colors, we are interested in the grayscale. Also pay attention to the intensity controller at the bottom, because if you just make it like halfway, you can see that the colors are a little bit washed out, but they are still there. So if you want to fully turn off the colors in the settings, make sure that the grayscale is selected, but you also slide it to the right entirely. And now we don't have any color at all on the iPad. So that's how it works. You can then disable the filter and everything is coming back to normal. So that's how it works. You can turn off the colors anytime you want inside of the settings. So if you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more so you don't miss videos like this one.